try to see how this looks and sounds, because I don't make videos. My lights are dim. I wonder if you can see. My eye color. Show you how the contacts I normally wear look, and then the contacts I'm about to get look. The ones I'm putting on now are the regular Fresh Looks color blends. And I worn them for a long time, and people actually ask me if they're my natural eyes, which to me, when I get up close, it's obvious that they're not. But people think they are. In this camera, it doesn't look like there's much of a difference between the two, but light's so weird in here. But as you can see, they are colored. If you're gonna turn too much, you won't go with my eyes. I mean, you can't go over there, but that's what that looks like. And to me, they have the little black around it, but they're a little bit smaller to me than my eyes. So certain corners of where the black is, it shows more, like in the middle here. Down there, you'll see more black. But, oh no, I'm just walking down the street. I want to change my color. You can't tell. But I've watched 1,000,001 videos from 1,000,001 girls showing a different kind of contact by Solotica. So I ordered those. But the first time I ordered them, I ordered the Hydro Core Orche, and they were bright. I feel like a vampire. I already have a weird kind of skin complexion, not quite yellow, not quite red, but it's a weird color where I felt like I was about to bite somebody, like I was in Twilight or something, and not the good kind. So I didn't like it. This light in this video is kind of terrible. It makes me look like my foundation is lighter than my skin, but when I look in the mirror here, it looks like it's darker than my skin. So that's that yellow light. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and order the, and that was the yearly lens, that one, so they're a little different. It was really thick. It felt like the pupil part was too small, and I really couldn't see. It was like giving me blind spots all over the place. It just didn't feel comfortable. I also put them on right out of the little bottle it comes in, and I read that you should let them sit in regular solution first, because that's not the solution it goes in. But I just read that. I don't know. But I don't work prescription or anything. But anyway, that came out to $89, free shipping from lens.me, and they came in about 3 to 4 days. So that was great, because I read a lot that was like, oh, weeks, and I just too antsy to wait weeks. So I didn't love those, so I gave my mom them to try on her, because she's really fair skin, and they were still kind of bright for her. Now, mind you, the Hydro Core doesn't have the lumbar ring, the little black circle around the outside, at all. So it really didn't mix or blend, but it did fully cover my brown eyes. But it just was too much for me. Maybe at night when I got on like heavy makeup or something, but we'll see. So I ordered the Solotica Solflex natural colors in Quartzo, because I wanted to try another color, and I seen that comes out a little more gray. That's the color of my Fresh Looks. I like gray, greenish tones like that, because I don't want it to be too bright. I want it to be kind of darkened down. So, and they're monthly and they're a little bit cheaper. So what I was going to do is keep getting those until I find the color that I'm truly in love with, and then play with maybe the yearly Solotica natural color one instead of the Solflex. But I've heard and watched reviews, even with the Solflex, that they're thinner, so they're more comfortable and they breathe. My eyes already naturally kind of have like little dry patches where they get dry in that spot quick. No matter how much water I drink, there's no solution for dry eyes, like that type of dry eye. So I don't think I'll end up really using the yearly ones because if they're too thick, they're going to irritate me, and I don't want to keep my hands in my eyes because then what's the point, you know, if they're irritating and I'm going to take them out. Also, I have naturally kind of small little eyes, I think. So I want the contact to be a little bit bigger, but not like the big circle ones they have out. That'd be a little too much. I'm going for natural, but I don't really care. Certain things just don't bother me. I'll tell you, they're not real. It's not like I'm going to try to fake the funk. I just want it to blend. I don't want to look like I have on cat eyes or some kind of Halloween costume eyes because I don't want to freak people out. I want you to kind of be like, maybe, maybe not. Not like, what the heck is going on? So I'm getting ready to try on those Solotica, Solflex, Natural Colors, Quartzo. So, be right back.